Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO F23 to an Android device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both devices and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Select I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. In the white pop-up at the top, tap on Close. And finally select Send at the bottom left corner of OPPO. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, tap on one of the available options to decide if you want to personalize your ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to OPPO. You need to use all of those categories located at the top to select all of your files that you wish to transfer. If you see that some kind of permission is needed, click on Allow button and choose Allow in the pop-up, or click on Allow button and tap on this gray switcher next to Allow access to manage all files. When you're ready, go back. Then tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. I want to select only a couple of my files, so I need to tap on the chosen ones, like those two, and click on Send as well. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. And now you can finally decide which connection way you want to use. In order to connect, thanks to this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide next to Input Key. Then tap on While using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. In order to input this key though, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and last but not least, select Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!